Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 4th, 2026, and we're diving into McKesson's fiscal 2026 third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. McKesson has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. McKesson reported a quarterly consolidated revenue of $106.2 billion, marking an 11% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by the North American pharmaceutical segment, which saw increased prescription volumes from retail national account customers. Additionally, there was significant growth in the distribution of oncology and multi-specialty products, bolstered by recent acquisitions.
And how about profitability? The adjusted earnings per share came in at $9.34, a 16% increase. What contributed to this rise?
Strong operational growth, particularly in the oncology and multi-specialty segment, played a crucial role. The segment's revenue increased by 37%, driven by provider solutions and specialty distribution. This, along with strategic acquisitions, has significantly boosted McKesson's profitability.
Cash flow and strategic initiatives. McKesson generated $1.2 billion in cash flow from operations and $1.1 billion in free cash flow this quarter. How does this position the company strategically?
This strong cash flow allows McKesson to invest in strategic initiatives and return value to shareholders. Notably, they completed the sale of their Norwegian retail and distribution businesses, marking their exit from Europe. Additionally, the planned separation of the Medical Surgical Solutions segment is underway, which will allow McKesson to focus more on its core operations.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 9.31 cents, and McKesson delivered an adjusted EP 9.34. How significant is this beat, John?
While the beat of 0.03 cent might seem modest, it reflects McKesson's ability to exceed market expectations consistently. With 7 analysts covering the stock, this performance underscores the company's strong operational execution and strategic focus.
Future outlook and CEO statements. Looking ahead, McKesson has raised its full-year adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $38.80 to $39.20, indicating a growth of 17% to 19%. What does this tell us about the company's future prospects?
This upward revision in guidance reflects McKesson's confidence in its strategic initiatives and operational momentum. CEO Brian Tyler emphasized the strength of their core distribution businesses and the progress in their oncology and multi-specialty platforms. The focus remains on sustainable growth and long-term value creation.
Did the CEO make any specific statements regarding the company's performance?
Yes, Brian Tyler highlighted the impact of disciplined execution and the strength of McKesson's core distribution businesses. He also mentioned the completion of their European exit and the ongoing focus on delivering sustainable growth.